Take a breath, slow, deep, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Say to yourself, that was a lot, and I made it through. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the ground holding you. Let it remind you you are held. Now remember what you learned. You can pause before you respond. You can check in with your body. You can name your reactions. You can choose curiosity over fear. Tell yourself, I am practicing. I am growing. I am holding the world with love and compassion, but my eyes are open. I see things clearly as they are. No denial, no sugarcoating. Just truth held in tenderness. Letting go of the need to be perfect. Holding on to the intention to keep going. Take another breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel your hands, your heartbeat, your breath. Carrying the lessons, not the weight. Now open your eyes. Stretch your arms. Step forward into your work. You are ready.